Assistant Minister, good to see you again. And a very good morning to all of you. It's actually a wonderful pleasure to be here today to appreciate at your combined annual prize giving ceremony. And today is truly a special day. And there's one good reason why it's actually extra special for me, because I understand the Assistant Minister is also a product of this school. One of my dear friends, the Solicitor General, Mr. Sharvada Sharma, is also a product of this particular school. So I'm very proud to be here, especially because I know they actually went to the school. Ladies and gentlemen, there is special meaning that a prize-giving day has in the life of the school community. As prize-giving day celebrates success. It is an occasion when high academic performance of students is acknowledged and rewarded. So let me congratulate all the awardees. Winning a prize is a great moment for a student. It boosts his or her self-esteem and self-confidence and urges him or her to achieve still better results in the future. What about those many of you who are not prize winners today? The question that needs to be asked is, should you be discouraged? Or should the situation make you lose confidence in yourself? Absolutely not at all. On the contrary, it should urge you to challenge yourself to be a prize winner on the next prize giving day. You will work harder with more discipline and steadfastness. You will manage your time more effectively, you will organize your studies systematically and work systematically well, and high performance is bound to come, and that will earn you the prizes. Seek to compete with yourself and always try to do better the next time. I urge all of you students to work with your utmost potential and strive towards perfection. And if each and every student adopts this particular strategy and challenge, the overall performance of the school will be high indeed. Ladies and gentlemen, children, let me congratulate also the school management and board and the teachers, the parents and the students for these excellent results. It is my hope that next year's results will even be better. I'm happy to learn that students at the school are encouraged to participate in extracurricular activities, and I warmly congratulate all the students and the school for these initiatives, even though these initiatives are not examinable. And to you students, I will say this: do not miss any chance of participating in any extracurricular activity that your school offers. Be it theatre, debate, quiz, tree planting, organizing an exhibition or an outing, a concert, blood donation, poem recitation, or sports, or any other activity. In the poem, there's a poem called If of Rudyard Kipling. We have this sentence, and I quote, "Fill the unforgiving minute with 60 seconds worth of distance run," meaning spend your precious time while you are young in doing worthy activities. Time is unforgiving. It does not come back. It does not give you a second chance. So distant run means worthy activities. Ladies and gentlemen, participating in extracurricular activities will help you acquire and develop numerous skills: organizational skills, research skills, leadership, time management, a sense of responsibility, and team spirit. And you'll become an attractive person, and you will succeed in life. If you've never taken part in extracurricular activity, grab the first opportunity that comes your way. If you're used to taking part, well, keep it up. I can assure you that the participation in extracurricular activities will help you dearly in developing numerous personal skills. And above all, self-confidence and public speaking skills. You can do it. Anyone can do it. I would therefore urge the school management and teachers to provide as much opportunity to students to organize and be engaged in these particular activities. There is another quote that I have from W. Wordsworth. And he wrote, and I quote, "The child is father of the man," and unquote. But what does this mean? It means that the child or young man or girl you are today will produce the adult that you will become in the future. And that is a number of years from now. You are now in your formative years. So get involved in activities that will develop your personality, your character, your constructive activities like theatre, sports, music, poetry, recitation, etc. And of course, without neglecting your academic studies. I know that the school is doing very well in this particular context, and keep it up. As Rabindranath Tagore says in his poem, you will be, and I quote, where the mind is, without fear, and the head is held high, unquote. To all of us present here today, I recommend reading, especially if you want to become a lawyer. I recommend reading, understanding and applying these ideas contained in the letter of Abraham Lincoln to the headmaster of the school his son was attending. Here are some of the extracts, and I quote. Teach him to be gently with people. In school, teach him that it's far more honorable to fail than to cheat. Teach him, if you can, that a dollar earned is far more value than a dollar found. Teach him to learn to lose and also enjoy winning. And teach him, if you can, the wonder of books, but also give him quite time to ponder on the eternal mystery of birds in the sky, bees in the sun, and flowers on a green hillside. And at the end of the poem, he said, and I quote, teach him always to have sublime faith in himself, self-confidence, because then he will have sublime faith in mankind, unquote. Beautiful, great values that schools would do well to inculcate in some of our school children. To the families of those that are graduating and earning certifications and awards, congratulations to you, and you should know that your support through this process has made an enormous impact. I'm sure you're very proud of your graduates as they close this portion of their lives and prepare for the next steps into a new career. Ladies and gentlemen, furthermore, I urge you to encourage and support your child's learning, especially for those in primary school. Actively participate in their school activities as they need your time and attention more, especially at this age. And during this festive season, I encourage you all, parents, to spend more quality time with your children and enjoy the festive season together as a family. And just finally, ladies and gentlemen, there's something that I actually mentioned to the assistant minister while I was just sitting there. There's something else that nobody ever really speaks about at school. There's very little that's done. You must always look after your health. It is very, very important. Your health, kids, is your wealth. Fiji has a problem with NCDs. You need to learn more, and this is the time to learn about it and make sure you live a healthy life. So with a few words, I wish the students of Baulevu High and Koroqaqa Primary School all the very best in your future endeavors. And at this time also, I'd like to say Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to all of you. And Baulevu, thank you very much.